Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In today's quick Tagalog lesson, we're learning how to say fool in Tagalog, and the meaning changes depending on the situation. There are three different ways to say fool in Tagalog. Each one has a different meaning, so let's break them down. The first one is busog. It means full from eating. So when you've eaten enough and you feel satisfied, the word is busog. In Tagalog, you'll say busog ako, which means I'm full. Narito ang mga halimbawa. Busog na busog ako. I'm very full. Busog ka na ba? Are you full? The second one is puno. It means full as in filled up. When something is filled to the top, like a cup, a bag, or room, use puno. Halimbawa, puno ang bote. The bottle is full. Puno ang kwarto. The room is full. The third and the last one is buo. It means full, meaning whole or complete. So when you want to express completeness or wholeness, the word is buo. In Tagalog, you say, buo ang araw ko, which means my day feels complete. Halimbawa, buo ang pamilya namin. Our family is complete. Buo ang tiwala ko sa'yo. My trust in you is whole. So remember, busog for eating, puno means filled up, and buo for completeness. So now you can confidently differentiate and use busog, puno, and buo correctly in your sentences and narration, choosing the right word every time depending on what kind of fool you mean. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam.